Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
In Hsinchu City, there's a village called Phong Kong. The village is home to a 300-year-old camphor tree. During the construction of the Taiwan high-speed rail line, the tree was in danger of being cut down, but local Hakka residents protested and their efforts saved the tree.
丰空是新竹市目前少见的客家聚落，会被称作丰空，是因地形加上秋冬吹东北季风，形成风洞。客语发音就是丰空。当地以300年的老樟树闻名，之前曾因高铁经过，面临被迁移或砍除的命运，但经过当地居民的努力，100年老树才得以被保留下来。Alright, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin.
Hello， 大家好，我係Leo黃。
大家好，我係 Joseph Ling, and we were just talking about Hsinchu, one of my favorite destinations here in Taiwan. And I know, again, because I am a food expert, I love food, 所以对新竹呢特别了解的就是他们的米粉啦，还有贡丸啦，还有润饼。These are 3 items that you can find in Hsinchu that are so tasty. 这个米粉。
米粉
okay, it's rice noodle. Also, 新竹贡丸 meatballs.
公園
公园哦，
不是公園，
不要去公园哦，我们要吃贡丸哦。
对，公園
公园，那公园怎么说？
公園
哦，公园，所以去公园吃贡丸就变得
去公園食公園。
哦，it sounds like a park, but it's not. It's actually meatballs, okay, 贡丸, and also 润饼, which is kind of like a Chinese burrito with a lot of veggies inside. 润饼怎么说呢？
圓餅，
圓餅。
不過就是你有食過一種很多竹籤餅的東西嗎？
竹籤餅，
竹籤餅，
竹籤餅哦，
對，
不管是哈卡或國語我都沒聽過哎。
竹籤餅是一個新竹的特產。
Oh, okay, so this is something extra that I have not found out about 新竹。
佢有啲像咁嘅人講嘅月餅，就是月餅。
哦，也是圓的。
對，它裡面的餡料，佢會包嘅東西哦，跟冇同樣。
Okay, so this is actually a round cake. So what is it called again? 這個叫做什麼？
竹籤餅。
竹籤餅. Okay, that's another thing you should try when you're in Hsinchu. Let's go ahead and review some of those terms again. 米粉.
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 米粉. 貢丸, which is meatballs.
公園.
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 公園, that's right. And then Chinese burrito, 潤餅.
圓餅.
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 圓餅. And finally, this new thing that I just discovered called 竹籤餅.
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 竹籤餅. Okay, so that does it for today's Talk About Hakka. I'm Joseph Lin.
是蒙太嘎爱子 C
张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.